Don't forget, if you like art and you want to show it, pick up a Halloween drawing sticker. These are only going to be around till October 31st, 2022. And then after that, I'm going to take them away forever. So pick one up before then. I put these on water bottles. I put these on, on my laptop. I put them all over the place. But definitely pick one up if you like showing your spirit. Anyways, let's get back.
All right, let's go over how to draw that pumpkin, okay? Let's do it. Gonna go over here, and I'm gonna draw first off the mouth because it's gonna be split in half. I kind of like that look. So right now I'm gonna draw a jaggedy line, and this line right here is very random. So it's just zigzag. All right. Go over here, curve around the top. Curve on this side, down. Gonna go over here and I'm gonna draw the stem first, okay? So top of the stem. Like that. Some lines in the actual stem, like so. And let's go over here down. Down. And we're gonna draw some lines. We're gonna draw the bottom part now. It's gonna be jaggedy as well. Curve over here, curve over here, and curve underneath. All right. So we got our jaggedy mouth, our overall pumpkin shape. Kind of reminds me of a hamburger right now, I'll be honest. But we're gonna draw the same line right here because I want it to look like a thick pumpkin, right? Like it's got a shape to it. Line over here, 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 like so. Line underneath. So those are ridges, right? The ridges for, inside of the pumpkin itself. Let's put a knife out here. Line up. Out over here. Down. Out over here. Out. Down. And line over here for kind of that portion of the knife there that's sharpened. And then on this side, I'm going to actually fill this out. This is the handle. Let's go over here to the eye. Out, down, in. Out, down, in. Little tiny beady eyes. I think that's kind of like a weird way to, I don't know, I think it's really bizarre looking, so I kind of want to do it. Over here, tiny nose here. Kind of that, obviously flipping the triangle upside down from at least the ones that we had. We have a decision now. We can fill this in or we can leave it like that, but I guess I'm gonna fill it in because I think if you fill it in, it has a much more graphic look to it. Like graphic meaning the minute you look at it, you're like, boom, you can tell what it is, which is kind of like sometimes what people go for. So, I mean, it's always like a good thing, right? To do that. Right here. Kind of filling this in slowly. Don't forget, by the way, hit the subscribe. It not only subscribes you for this year, but for every single year. We're a seasonal channel. So, when videos start rolling around, not just this year, but also next year, you're going to get notifications for the whole channel pretty much. So with the largest collection of Halloween drawing tutorials in all of YouTube. Right on. And let's draw a thick line on the outside of everything. On over here. All right, I like that. I'm gonna give it some color. I don't always color these honestly, but I'm gonna give this guy some color. Let me give it a. I'm gonna color the stem kind of a weird green, kind of like an aqua green on this one. Then I'm gonna go with a gray on the knife. I just want to go with a some form of a gray like this one. Let's go with the orange, which is going to be pretty much the rest of this guy right here. Let me know what you're going to dress like for Halloween. I am going to dress like, I don't know yet. I kind of talked about it, but I have two decisions. There's two outfits I can go as. Right on. Just coloring it more or less flat. That's why I like using these Copic and Prismacolors. You can kind of go right through it. Sometimes a Crayola will like smear it, and that's really annoying. But definitely a lot of benefits using Copic and Prismacolor. Anyways, thank you so much. I appreciate all the kind words, all the nice stuff. Happy Halloween. Stay spooky. Buy a sticker, and don't forget to check out the free ebook. Okay, that's in the description. Check that out. Thank you so much, and I'll see you later.